Valeria Escobar and Valentina Pandino. Welcome to VV Biology School.
Today we're going to explain you different concepts about DNA and other topics.
First of all, you have to understand the concept of chromosome. We are going to show you some pictures about this to clarify your doubts.
A chromosome is a package structure containing most of the DNA of a living organism. It is organized in 23 couples. The gene is a unit of heredity that encodes information needed to produce proteins. The gene is a specific part of the DNA. If you didn't understand the definition of chromosome, please enter to our blog, that is www.vvbiologyschool.edu.com. Our next topic is the experiment of Gregor Mendel.
In the experiment of Gregor Mendel, the first stage, FO, first you have to identify how many traits are. In this case, it is 1, the color of the flower. You have to identify which color is the dominant and which one is the recessive. In this case, the dominant is the purple and the recessive is the white, and you have to give any variable to each one. In the F1, you have to put the dominant parent in one side, up in the upper side, and the recessive white, you have to put it in the side. And then you have to do a cross out.
When you're going to make the results, you have to make genotype and phenotype. Genotype is classified in 3 groups. The first one is homozygous dominant, that consists that the 2 variables are capital letter. The second one is heterozygous, that consists that one variable is capital and the other one normal. The third one is homozygous recessive, that consists that the 2 variables are normal. In this case, we got 0% in homozygous dominant. In heterozygous, we got 100% because all the offspring in F1 got combined like heterozygous. And homozygous recessive, we get 0% too. You can show the results in percentage, ratio, decimal, and the whole number. In phenotype, you have to put the traits, purple and white. In phenotype, it only expresses the dominant and doesn't matter that it's combined. So if it's combined, only shows the dominant. Purple is the dominant, so we got 100%. And in white, we got 0%. So here also you can show the results in decimal, ratio, percent, and also whole number.
With the offspring of F1, you have to do another cross out like I explained before, and you will have 16 results. You also have to do the genotype results divided in dominant homozygous, heterozygous, and recessive homozygous. And in the phenotype, you also have to show your results like we said before.
So these were our topics for today, and thank you for visiting us. See you later.
Hope you understand everything that we explained today. As Valentina said, thank you for watching us. And remember that we're near to our 1 million followers. Subscribing that bottom.
Here.
Woohoo! Remember that we're VV Biology School. Bye!